Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway. Today's date is Friday, December 12th, 2014. Markets are seeing quite a bit of selling pressure today. This is a combination of the dollar-yen pulling back off the highs of the day, as well as oil continuing to collapse. Oil going lower at this level is going to stress some financials, as well as ultimately have layoffs in the oil market and the oil companies sector, and that is why the markets are getting a little paranoid about oil prices being in the $50 range. I think the market is okay with oil between $60 and really $100 per barrel, but anything less than 60, that's really where we've seen the market start to get panicky when we started to see the breakdown below that $60 per barrel level. If we take a look at the USO here today, and we'll flip over to that, you can see very clearly oil's bouncing off of its lows, but another big down day on oil. Spot crude right now is sitting down about $2 on the day, down 3.5%. That's a big drop, folks. That is a big drop. One thing you can see if we flip back to the SPY is that notice how the markets are catching a little bit of a bid as oil inches up just slightly. So again, you can see the reaction in the market off of that oil inch up off the lows. A couple other things to go over here. Number one, markets are making pivot lows, lower lows. I want to show you this. I think it's really kind of cool. If you take the low here, connected to this low, look at the lows today. You keep hammering into that level. So again, that level has become ultimately the support line, downsloping trend line for this market right now. If you break through that line, you're actually going to see quite a drop. I have to flip over to the 60-minute chart to show you, but take a look at this. All right, so if you take this level out, there's a gap fill, which is I think the market has a good chance to get here today. But again, this level right here at gap fill at 201.11, that's another dollar lower. I do think there might be some selling late in the day, and just a heads up on that front from me. And the reason is because even if oil stabilizes here for the rest of the day, there's going to be a lot of worried investors that come Monday, oil's going to be another $5 lower. So again, if oil stays right here and doesn't rally back to the green side, I do think there's some concern on that, and it could create some selling pressure on the markets into the end of the day. A couple other things to go over just quickly that I wanted to mention as we go back to the SPY intraday. Again, what you're looking for today to see continued weakness next week, you want to see a close below this low here, which is the 203 level. If we rally above the 203, especially if it's because oil starts to rally, that will be a positive for the market. By the way, I just put out an options alert, which again, if you're a member here at InTheMoneyStocks.com, you can get that options alert by logging in. If you're not, then you can sign up. Also, I put out a swing trade alert in the Research Center today, which is a swing trade. And again, the Research Center, you can take the 7-day free trial and check it out. We got alerts in there. You got daily videos. You've got live broadcasts. You name it. It's an awesome asset for every trader to have. So bottom line is, come join us here at InTheMoneyStocks.com, folks. Let's see where this market ends. Take care.